as many people know, I've been a broker ever since I entered the business. So all the years I was a top originator, 15, 16, 17, 18, I did it as a broker. Now, more recently, we've expanded to become a national broker, and now we're focusing on developing loan officers so that they can do extremely well in this business. So part of my path led me down analyzing how the broker does collectively in the mortgage industry compared to the retail side of the business, okay? What I found was surprising. I looked at some of the top brokerages that we have out there in the business, okay? So they have a high number of LOs. Those were the ones that I paid the most attention to. And me being a data guy, I was able to dive in and look at the average number of loans that they do on a company level per month, okay? And what I found was staggering. Now, only on the broker side do we do 0.4 deals per month. That means it takes 3 months for a loan officer at any of the largest brokerages out there to close a deal. They might have other transactions going, they might have this, they might have that, but the reality is it takes about 3 months to close a transaction for that company per capita is what it's called, okay? And it's a very interesting number. So that means if you have 2,000 LOs at your company, then you guys are closing less than 1,000 loans collectively, right? Like probably somewhere around 800 or so, right? And what that speaks to is my whole focus on loan officer development. Are the companies developing the LOs enough so that they can be productive and treat this loan officer position as something sustainable that can support their families? And at 0.4 loans per month, I'm sorry, right? That does not cut the mustard to be able to support any family out there when you do the analysis, okay? Now, I also compared this to the retail side of the business. I looked at companies like Movement Mortgage. I looked at Guaranteed Rate. I looked at Cross Country. And what I found was the majority of those companies, their per capita falls somewhere between 1.5 and 2. So their loan officers do 1.5 to 2 loans per month, right? So if they have 2,000 loan officers, then that company's doing around 3,000 loans a month. So that shows you that on the retail side, for some reason, these loan officers are 3 times more productive than we are on the wholesale side, okay? I've been able to isolate that problem directly related to loan officer development. That's where the issue is, and that's where we're focusing. We gotta start helping the loan officer generate more business. The support is there. The ability to execute and get a loan closed, we are just as good as any other company out there. Retail, I don't care which retailer it is, we can hang. But on the development side, on the acquisition of business, we are subpar compared to that side. So our company now is focusing on not only having the optionality of a broker, you still have that, but develop the LO so that they have the opportunity to go out there and do more deals. Because we know you cannot sustain a family with 0.4 deals per month. And that's why we use the hashtag Future Millionaire LO. Let's go.